Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding. I've just had the Ricoel Motoplay C5 Super arrive. Now this one has got the BMW mount, which is already fitted on here. Now the interesting thing about this is it's not just the display. This has got the two cameras with it as well. And optionally, you can also have tire pressure monitors fitted onto this system. Now, looking at it, there are 3 wires coming out of this unit. One is supplying USB power through this cable, and these 2 are for the cameras. Now, the fitting of this is a lot easier than any of the other systems because the power is there. Now it's got a little remote control as well with it, which I'll figure that out, but fitting this system is pretty easy. I'm just going to give it a quick go without fitting the cameras anywhere really. I will just hook all up and just see if it all works. Okay, cameras are all connected up. Okay, let's get the ignition on. Okay, the screen's all changed in this, as you probably can see. It's obviously remote control low, please replace the battery. Okay, we're not using the remote control at the moment, so let's ignore that. Let's go into recorder. Right, so from what I can see, it's front and back cameras. Right, so they're working. So everything's coming on. As you can see, there's the bit there for the tire pressure monitors. So if you've got them, you just hook them in, it will just recognize them and it'll just boot the system up. So that's all easy to do. The CarPlay I have set up already, but I've switched off just now because I just want to concentrate on this display at the moment. The CarPlay side all works fine I've already tested that, so it's working perfectly. So, but this is the display. The great thing with this, as I keep saying, is that there's no wiring required. And if you want to take off the bike, you just need to disconnect these two camera cables and just pull the USB cable out and you're done. And you can take off, and it's just fitted into the BMW Bracket. There are other mount options available from them as well. So if you have a look on Ricoel's website, you'll be able to see what other options there are if you don't have a BMW, so there are other mounts available. But for the BMW owners who have the sat-nav cradle, it's a very good option. The C5 is a nice size. There is a C7 as well with a 7-inch display, but I still think the 5-inch is a nice size as well, and this one comes with like a little sun visor hood thing as well fitted to it. It's a nice size. I mean, it's still a little bit bigger than the Nav 6 or the Nav 5 used to be on the BMWs. So it's still a good size. But again, it's down to choice. If you want a 7-inch display, there's a 7-inch version of this too. Thanks.